With this new improvement, we have added a new client notification called the membership cancellation. This template will be sent out to clients once we have canceled their membership through Wellness Living. The template can be found under Setup, and on the left-hand side under Notifications, click on Client Notifications. It is going to be under the Billing section, and the template is called Membership Cancellation, and the description is sent to the client when a membership they own is canceled. We can go ahead and make sure that it is enabled, or if the business wants, they can disable it. To edit the template, click on the pencil icon to edit the template. And from here, we can set up the email template, SMS template, and the push notification. Underneath, we can scroll down to see the actual content within it. And to view the email variables that can be implemented on this template, click on View Email Variables to expand the list. I'm going to go ahead right now and go into a client profile. Under the client's profile, I've gone ahead and went to the account section, and under account section, I went to passes and memberships. Scrolling down, I can see the membership that this client owns, and it is the 6-month unlimited membership autopay. What I'm going to do next is go to action and cancel this membership. On the top, staff members can go ahead and type in the reason for cancellation if they wish to. If not, they can leave it as blank. It is optional. Underneath, we have the client notifications. So for this, we can either send it to the client as an email, SMS, or push notification. So you can simply click on the check mark to enable or disable that specific client notification to be sent out. I want to go ahead and send the email to the client, so I'm going to leave this on and go ahead and click on confirm to confirm the cancellation of this membership. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead now and open up the inbox just to make sure that we receive the email. I can now see in my inbox, I've received the email for membership cancellation. We can open this up. And there is a membership cancellation email. And depending on the email variables that were used, those will be included within the email. For this to successfully send to the client, a specific setting under the client's profile notification must be enabled. I'm now back into the client profile, and under the notification section, we need to make sure that the account management email or SMS is enabled in order for the client to receive that specific membership cancellation email. This client notification will be useful for our clients as it'll help them keep track of their membership status, and they can in fact get a confirmation from the business once their membership is canceled so they can keep a paper trail of it.